Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Lenovo ThinkBook 16. This is going to be the Gen 7 Intel version. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your battery. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip our computer over to access our bottom case screws. Now you have 9 screws in the bottom case, 4 on the bottom of my screen, 3 on the top, and 2 on either side in the middle. The middle screws and these top screws do not actually come out of the bottom case, so don't worry if they stay in. Once your screws are up, you're going to take a small flat pry tool. It's generally best to start near the back edges, the back corners of your computer. You're going to slowly, gently pry the bottom case up from the rest of your computer. Be careful not to put your pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Keep it on the edge, go nice and slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. After you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, guys, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any upgrade or replacement parts for this specific model computer, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all those tools and supplies that I use and the upgrade and replacement parts for this specific model computer. This is the battery right down here near the bottom of my screen. Most of you will have an 11.52 volt battery, 45 watt hour. The Lenovo part number for this replacement will be L22D3PE0. I will have all that information below in the description if you need it. Also, guys, there is an upgrade version available for this. It's a longer battery. It'll screw in here, above the speaker, and down here, and that will be a 71 watt hour battery. I will have both batteries available in that list I told you about below in the description if you need help finding them. The battery plug is up here and it's slightly underneath this shield, so you can gently peel this off very easily, and that'll get you at that plug a little easier. The battery screws down with these 5 screws near the red arrows, and if you want to unplug it, you would pull this plug to the left out of that port. Now, it's generally best to not pull on wires or cables if at all possible in a computer, to just pull on the plug. But this plug was hard to get a grip on, so I had to end up grabbing it right here near the tape and gently, slowly wiggling it out of that port, being as careful as I could not to damage those wires. If you're here because your computer is not turning on and you're trying to troubleshoot why, it could be caused by a bad battery and you may need to replace it. However, keep in mind that most laptop computers should still turn on and function with a bad battery as long as they're plugged in. So if your computer's not turning on at all, there may be something else wrong other than just a bad battery. If you would like help troubleshooting that, I will have a video link above, also below in the description, and that will show you the troubleshooting process I use in my shop to find out why a laptop's not turning on and how to fix it. And as long as you're inside your computer anyway, keep in mind that RAM is a large factor in your computer's speed and performance. If you would like more information on how to upgrade your RAM, check out the video that pops up when this one's done, and it'll show you how to do that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.